Hey there, and welcome to my channel. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to save time and money. And if you're a freelancer or small business owner, you know that getting paid on time is crucial. That's why I'm so excited to talk to you today about HoneyBook's instant deposit feature. HoneyBook is a popular online platform that helps freelancers and small businesses manage their clients and projects. One of the features that HoneyBook offers is instant deposit, which allows you to get paid instantly when your client pays an invoice. But how much does HoneyBook charge for instant deposit? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video. Before I get into the specifics of HoneyBook's instant deposit fees, let's take a quick look at how instant deposit works. When a client pays an invoice through HoneyBook, the money is deposited into HoneyBook's account. HoneyBook then holds the money for a few days to verify the payment. Once the payment is verified, HoneyBook transfers the money to your bank account. If you choose to use instant deposit, HoneyBook will transfer the money to your bank account immediately. However, there is a fee for using this feature. HoneyBook's instant deposit fees. HoneyBook's instant deposit fees vary depending on the amount of the payment. Here's a breakdown of the fees. For payments up to $1,000, the fee is 1.99% of the payment amount. For payments between $1,001 and $10,000, the fee is 1.49% of the payment amount. For payments over $10,000, the fee is 0.99% of the payment amount. In addition to the fee, there is also a flat fee of 25 cents per transaction. Is instant deposit worth it? Whether or not instant deposit is worth it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're a freelancer or small business owner who needs to get paid quickly, instant deposit can be a valuable tool. However, if you're not in a hurry to get paid, or if you're on a tight budget, you may want to consider using HoneyBook's standard payment terms. Here are a few things to keep in mind when deciding whether or not to use instant deposit. The cost of the fees. The amount of time it takes for the money to be transferred to your bank account. Your need for immediate access to the funds. HoneyBook's instant deposit feature is a great way to get paid quickly. However, it is important to weigh the benefits and costs before deciding whether or not to use it. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook's instant deposit feature, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.